they drive from hours away because the bargains are just that tremendous. B&G Discount is located in Schoolcraft, but their massive selection on everything from tools, tarps, to household necessities, cleaning supplies, and all these other closeout items makes it all worth it. Leanne went to there a few times, and she's known to fill a cart or two or three when she's there. She recently stopped by to find out how they're handling business in the midst of COVID-19.
Well, with the rain, I think it's very fitting to say that we've weathered a lot of storms, right? And that definitely goes to say for business as well. We're here at B&G Discount, and Brett Gowan, it's my understanding that when all this happened back in March, you guys were actually put in a very interesting situation. So what did you end up doing?
You know, we were deemed essential. All the things we sold. We were the first ones to have toilet paper, I think, only ones to have toilet paper in West Michigan for a while. But in the middle of March there, when everything closed down, we voluntarily closed down. I mean, I've been teasing that I should get a big old button from the governor's office that I voluntarily closed down and made our place safer for everybody. Wider aisles, changed the checkout, and it's starting to rain harder here, Leanne.
Yeah.
And we got ready to open again, and we didn't open up till the end of May. We operated a drive-through service out of this one little door.
Wow.
And you know what we concentrated on. People couldn't shop and see everything in our store. They'd ask for a tarp that we're known for, but the main thing we concentrated on was face masks.
Wow.
I mean, we've all had to wear face masks. I've got mine here. I've got one here. We've all bought the blue surgical kind that wrap around. I even got a little custom one here that says B&G Discount, made for me to go out shopping with. I got one for my wild side that was made out of a bandana that we sell bandanas that I can hook on. And then we sell to businesses. We've sold them by the 50 count box. We've been the only place in West Michigan, folks, that a business can call and get these 1,000 at a time and pay the lowest price. We've been beating any internet prices too.
Along with those necessities, of course, and the little odds and ends, you actually provided people with a sense of normalcy too, for the fact that they could still do some shopping.
Right. I mean, you know, people wanted to come into our business, and we just kept the close down on until the 1st of May. But every week, every day we'd list 20, 30 different things on Facebook so they could say that. And it's raining today, but down here we had a drive-through open. We're still open, but most our store is open now.
Yeah.
But we had 100, 150 cars at the time lined down the highway coming here, and there was just 6 of us out of one little door that ran this whole place.
Yeah.
We have like 30 employees, but we laid most of them off, and we ran this drive-through, and we were able to serve a big purpose in West Michigan with the face masks, disposable gloves, other necessities that we had.
Cleaners and that sort of thing, all sorts of great things.
We wanted to tell everybody, if you're up in Grand Rapids in that area listening today, you know, it might not have been convenient with the lockdown to drive all the way down here, but we're open now.
Yeah.
If you don't want to get out of your car, the drive-through can still be used.
Sure.
So we're back open, and it feels wonderful. We're keeping social distancing, being real safe here.
Yeah, and this is just a sample, you guys. This is huge. Let me tell you, what did I say, 50,000 bargains or something like that on the front?
We always say we're 50,000 bargains under one roof. If you want to pay half to a third on many of our items, what you'll pay anywhere, internet, those big websites. We all know the big companies out there. You can pull out your phone and order anything, but if it's $20 on there and little old me is selling it for $8.99, come down here. There's no place like this in the world.
No, and my family's actually driven down from an hour north of Grand Rapids, and we left with a cart full of things, and someone actually walked around and said, "You're not paying that price." I was like, this is a good price.
Well, we're known for dealing the more you buy. You know, imagine if you walked into your local supermarket and you bought 10 gallons of milk and the boss came out and said, it's cheaper because you bought 10 of them. It only makes sense. Quantity means lower prices.
So for people to keep up, the best way is to go on your social media site, go on Facebook, see what you guys are posting.
Every day we post what we call 20 to 50 of our best bargains, but with 50,000 of them, check it out on Facebook, give you a reason to come down, and you won't believe it. People come in here to look, and the next thing they know, they got big armloads of merchandise, you know. So.
You're definitely going to go home with what you need and what you don't need, because the price is going to be that great. Hey, thanks so much, and once again, stop in here, check out all the
look
great
at the brand names we're now carrying.
You guys are known for your brand.
Last time you were in here, we had good deals, but the brand names we get now, I mean, a New Balance sock that is $18 at the shoe stores for New Balance. We sell for like $6.
Yeah,
I mean,
can't beat that.
they're closeouts and buyouts and overruns. And
Yep.
it's not like any store in the country. And we want to welcome everybody wherever you're at in the Midwest. Come down and see us.
And I think people have learned to stock up on things you didn't think you needed to stock up on.
Buy it today. It could be gone tomorrow. Here.
Absolutely. All right, well, keep up the great work here at B&G
Thank you.
Discount.
Plenty of stuff in my house from that place. B&G Discount is located at 15632 US 131 South, right there in Schoolcraft, or right next to it. You can check them out online at bgdiscountstore.com, or if you have a question, call them toll free 800-508-6570.